Hello, wonderful listeners. Welcome back to Daily English Talk with R. I'm Jessica, and today we start a brand new series. Learn English with money tips. Save smart, speak better.
And I'm Jake. I'm excited because this is not just about money, it's about life, choices, and of course, learning English in a fun way.
Exactly. We'll use simple English words, daily life examples, and real conversations. By the end, you'll not only understand money better, you'll also speak about it with confidence.
So, Jessica, where do we begin?
Let's start with something small but powerful. Imagine this. Every morning you walk into a coffee shop. The smell of fresh coffee is everywhere. The menu is full of choices. Latte, cappuccino, caramel macchiato. You feel happy, but also a little confused.
Oh, yes, I know that feeling. I just want to say, one of everything, please.
Exactly. But here's the question. Is this coffee a need or a want?
Good question. Let's explain these words for our listeners.
A need is something you must have to live.
And a want is something nice to have, but not necessary.
So, food, water, and a place to live. Those are needs.
And a caramel macchiato with extra cream? That's a want.
Exactly. But here's the tricky part. Wants feel so good in the moment.
Yes, and sometimes we confuse them with needs. I say, I need coffee, but really, I just want that fancy coffee.
Right, and this is where money choices begin. Needs first, wants later.
Okay, but Jessica, why does this matter?
Because small wants add up. Imagine this. One fancy coffee costs $5. If you buy it every day, that's $150 in a month.
Whoa, that's a lot of money for coffee.
Exactly. And here's the twist. At the end of the month, a bill arrives. Electricity, rent, internet. Suddenly, you don't have enough.
Ah, the surprise bill. That's when you say, where did my money go?
Yes, and the answer is often in those small daily wants.
So the lesson is, understand your needs and wants before the bill surprises you.
Exactly. And this is the first step in learning to manage money and learning English at the same time.
Let's practice with our listeners. Jessica, give me some examples.
Okay, bread.
Need.
New shoes when your old ones are broken.
Need.
A gold watch.
Want.
Water.
Need.
A new phone when your old one still works.
Want.
Perfect! Did you get them right, listeners?
Jessica, I like how this is not just English, it's life advice.
That's the idea. Learn English, live smarter.
So what's next after needs and wants?
Next, we need a tool to see where our money goes. A simple tool, not an app, not a computer, just a notebook.
A notebook? That sounds easy.
Yes, and in our next chunk, we'll open that notebook together. We'll write money in on one side and money out on the other.
Money in, money out. I like that.
It's the beginning of a budget. Don't worry, it's not scary. It's actually your best friend.
So, listeners, here's your homework. Think about your last 3 purchases. Were they needs or wants? Write them down.
Yes, and keep that list ready, because now we're going to take the next step. We'll start building your very first budget.
Needs and wants were just the beginning. Now let's open a notebook and see the truth of your money.
All right, listeners, grab your notebook. On the left side, write money in. On the right side, write money out. This is where chunk 2 begins. Money in, money out, the notebook that tells the truth. All right, listeners, let's continue. In the last part, we talked about needs and wants. Now it's time to open that simple tool we mentioned, a notebook.
Yes, the notebook. No apps, no computers, just paper and pen. On the left side, write money in. On the right side, write money out.
Money in means all the money you receive. For most people, that's a salary. But it could also be pocket money, a gift, or even money from selling something.
Exactly. If your friend gives you $10 for helping with homework, that's money in. If your boss pays you at the end of the month, That's money in.
And money out is everything you spend. Rent, food, transport, coffee, snacks, clothes, every single thing.
Let's do a little role play. Jessica, you be the notebook. I'll tell you my money.
Okay, I'm your notebook. Tell me, Jake, what is your money in this month?
My salary is $1,000.
Good. I'll write that under money in. Now, what about money out?
Rent, $600. Food, $200. Bus tickets, $50. Coffee, $90.
$90 on coffee?
Yes, I love coffee.
And that's the point. When you write it down, you see the truth. $90 on coffee is almost 1/10 of your salary.
Wow, I never thought about it like that.
That's why the notebook is powerful. It shows you the truth. No judgment, just information.
And when you see the truth, you can make better choices.
Exactly. Listeners, think about your last week. What was your money in? Maybe your salary, maybe some pocket money.
And what was your money out? Did you buy food? Did you pay for transport? Did you buy something extra like ice cream or a new shirt?
Write it all down, even the small things, especially the small things.
Because small things add up.
Yes, and when you see it on paper, you can ask yourself, do I like where my money is going?
Jessica, I think this is like a mirror.
A mirror.
Yes, a mirror shows you your face. A notebook shows you your money.
That's a beautiful way to say it. A notebook is a mirror for your money.
And sometimes the mirror surprises you.
Yes, but surprise is good. Surprise means learning. So, listeners, your homework is to start your notebook. Write money in on one side, money out on the other.
And for 1 week, write down everything. Salary, rent, food, coffee, snacks, tickets, everything.
At the end of the week, look at your notebook. What do you see?
Do you see more needs or more wants? Do you see small things adding up?
This is the beginning of your budget.
And don't worry, we'll make it simple. In the next chunk, we'll talk about smart swaps.
Smart swaps.
That sounds interesting.
Yes, we'll learn how to replace expensive wants with cheaper choices. Choices that save money but still make you happy.
Like cooking at home instead of eating out?
Exactly, or making coffee at home instead of buying it every day.
I think I need that lesson.
Yes, you do, and maybe our listeners do too.
So let's turn the page in our notebook and get ready.
Coming up next, smart swaps, cook twice, save twice. Great work so far, listeners. We started with needs and wants, then we opened our notebook and saw money in and money out. Now it's time for the fun part, making smart swaps.
Smart swaps? That sounds like trading something.
Exactly. A smart swap means changing one habit for another. You still enjoy life, but you spend less money.
Okay, give me an example.
Sure. Imagine you buy coffee every morning for $3. That's $90 in a month. But if you make coffee at home, maybe it costs only 30 cents a cup.
30 cents? That's so much cheaper.
Yes. If you swap just half of your cafe coffees for home coffee, you save more than $40 a month.
Wow, that's like a free dinner out, or even a small gift for yourself.
Exactly. And here's another smart swap. Cooking at home instead of eating out.
Oh, I know this one. Last week, I bought dinner for $15, but when I cooked pasta at home, it cost me only $4.
Perfect example. Cook once, eat twice. Make extra dinner, and you have lunch for the next day.
That's 2 meals for the price of one.
Yes. And it's not just about food. Think about shopping. If you go to the supermarket without a list, you buy many wants.
Like cookies, chips, and maybe ice cream.
Exactly. But if you make a list before you go, you buy only what you need. That's another smart swap. Planning instead of guessing.
I like that. A list is like a map. It shows you where to go and what to buy.
Yes, and it keeps you safe from spending too much.
Let's practice with our listeners. Jessica, give me some situations, and I'll try to make a smart swap.
Okay. Situation 1. You want to watch a new movie at the cinema. Ticket price is $10.
Smart swap. Watch a movie at home with friends. Maybe rent it online for $3.
Good. Situation 2. You're hungry after work and want to buy fast food for $8.
Smart swap. Cook rice and vegetables at home for $3.
Excellent. Situation 3. You see a new t-shirt on sale for $20, but you already have 5 t-shirts.
Smart swap. Don't buy it. Wear the t-shirts you already have.
Perfect. See, listeners, smart swaps are simple. They don't take away your happiness. They just give you more control.
And more savings.
Yes. And when you save, you can use that money for something bigger, something important.
Like a dream goal.
Exactly. And that's where we're going next.
So, listeners, think about your own life. What is one smart swap you can make this week? Write it in your notebook.
Because in the next chunk, we'll talk about goals. A goal makes saving exciting. It turns "I can't buy this" into "I'm choosing something better."
I like that. Saying no to a want today means saying yes to a dream tomorrow.
Beautifully said, Jake.
Thank you. So let's keep going.
Coming up next, the bicycle dream. Goals that make saying no feel good. So far, we've learned how to see our money clearly with the notebook, and we've practiced smart swaps. But now comes the most exciting part, setting a goal.
A goal? You mean like a dream?
Exactly. A goal is something you want in the future. It gives you a reason to save. Without a goal, saving feels boring. With a goal, saving feels powerful.
Okay, let's make this real. I want a new bicycle. My old one is broken, and I dream of riding through the park again.
Perfect. That's your saving goal. Every time you think about spending money on a want, you can ask yourself, do I want this coffee now or do I want my bicycle later?
Oh, that's strong. The coffee is nice for 5 minutes, but the bicycle is joy for years.
Exactly. And here's a tip. Make your goal visual. Print a picture of the bicycle. Put it on your wall or even on your notebook.
So every time I see the picture, I remember why I'm saving.
Yes, it keeps your dream alive. Let's practice with our listeners. Think about something you want in the future. Maybe a trip, maybe a new phone, maybe a course you want to study.
Close your eyes and imagine it. See it clearly. That's your goal.
Now write it in your notebook. Write, "My goal is," and finish the sentence.
And every time you save money, remember, you're not just saying no to something small. You're saying yes to your dream.
I like that. Saying no to a cake today means saying yes to a bicycle tomorrow.
Exactly. And here's another tip. Give your savings a name.
A name?
Yes. If you're saving for a bicycle, call it your bicycle jar. If you're saving for a trip, call it your travel fund.
That makes it fun. It's not just money, it's my dream in a jar.
Yes, and you can even use a real jar or a piggy bank for coins. Every coin you drop inside is a step toward your dream.
I love that. It feels positive.
And that's the secret. Saving is not about losing something now. It's about gaining something better later.
So listeners, what's your goal? Write it down. Give it a name. Make it visual.
Because in the next chunk, we'll learn how to make saving automatic. That way, your dream grows even while you sleep.
Automatic saving? That sounds like magic.
It's not magic. It's a smart system.
And we'll show you how.
So let's keep going.
Coming up next, automatic wins. Pay yourself first. We've talked about goals, like your bicycle dream, Jake. But now let's make saving even easier. What if your money could move itself into savings without you thinking about it?
That sounds amazing. Like money working for me while I sleep.
Exactly. This is called automatic saving. The idea is simple. Pay yourself first.
Pay myself? I thought I pay rent, I pay bills, I pay the supermarket. How do I pay myself?
Good question. Paying yourself means that before you spend on anything else, you move a little money into savings. You treat your future like it's the most important bill.
Oh, I like that. My dream is my bill, and I must pay it first.
Yes. For example, if you earn $1,000, you can decide that $50 goes straight into savings at the start of the month.
And if I do that every month, after 1 year, I'll have $600. That's a big step toward my bicycle.
Exactly. And you can make it automatic. Many banks let you set up a transfer. Every month, the money moves from your salary account to your savings account without you doing anything.
That's like magic. I don't even see the money, so I don't miss it.
Yes. And even if you don't have a bank account, you can still do it. Use a jar, a box, or a piggy bank. Every week, put in a small amount.
Like $5 every Friday.
Perfect. And here's a tip. Make it a ritual. Choose a day, choose a time, and always do it.
I like that. Friday night, I put money in my bicycle jar. It feels like a celebration.
Exactly. And don't forget coins. At the end of each day, take the coins from your pocket and drop them in the jar.
That doesn't feel like much, but after a few months, it becomes a treasure.
Yes, small steps create big results.
Let's practice with our listeners. Imagine you earn $100. If you save just $10 every month, how much will you have after 1 year?
That's right, $120. And if you save $20 each month, that's $240.
See? Automatic saving is powerful.
And here's another tip. Celebrate milestones. When you reach your first $50, smile. When you reach 100, reward yourself with something small but meaningful.
Like a picnic in the park or a homemade cake.
Exactly. A reward that makes you happy but doesn't break your savings.
So, listeners, your homework is to choose your system. Will you set up an automatic transfer? Will you use a jar? Will you save coins?
Write it in your notebook. Make it clear, because saving is not just an idea, it's an action.
And when saving becomes automatic, your dream grows while you sleep.
Beautifully said. And now that we've learned to pay ourselves first, it's time to review everything we've done in this part.
Yes, needs and wants, the notebook, smart swaps, goals, and automatic saving.
That's right. And in the next part, we'll take these lessons into the real world, shopping. We'll practice English at the supermarket, learn to ask prices, and discover more ways to save.
That sounds exciting. English, shopping, and smart money.